Adaptability to change in leadership. The need to continuously adapt to new challenges and environments can create a state of restlessness in the leader. Constant change, whether in the market, technology, or within the organization, can keep the leader awake at night, worried about how to guide their team through uncertainty. In the solitude of the night, the leader reflects on their ability to adapt and lead in times of change. They wonder if they are making the right decisions and if they are prepared to face the challenges ahead. The night brings back memories of past changes, some that were handled well and others that were more difficult. These memories generate a mix of confidence and anxiety as the leader prepares for the next change. Although adapting to change may seem like a solitary struggle, it is an experience shared by all leaders. In their sleepless nights, each leader becomes John Doe, facing the uncertainty of change and seeking the best way to guide their team. Imagine a sail that automatically adjusts to the direction of the wind, allowing the ship to stay on course no matter the conditions. This sail represents your adaptability and flexibility in leadership. Let this image inspire you to adjust your strategies and decisions to successfully navigate through changes and keep moving toward success.